Hi, my name's Chris. I'm a Woodbury wine employee. I work in the warehouse. This is Marianne. She is not a Woodbury wine employee, but she plays one on TV. We're hanging out in our backyard today celebrating May Day. May Day is a celebration of the transition from spring to summer. It falls halfway between the spring equinox and the summer solstice.
In agricultural societies, Beltane marked the start of the summer season. Livestock were led out to graze in abundant pastures, and trees burst into beautiful and fragrant blooms. Rituals were performed to protect crops, livestock, and people. Fires were lit and offerings were made in hopes of gaining divine protection.
Modern May Day celebrations still include the bonfire and the maypole, but also the making and drinking of something called May wine, and that's what we're going to be doing today. So May wine is defined by the Council of European Communities as an aromatized drink obtained from wine with added Asperula odorata plants or extracts thereof, so as to ensure a predominant taste of Asperula odorata. Not a very catchy definition. So what that means is we're going to use a white wine and we're going to steep it with something called woodruff. Woodruff is a ground cover. It has a sweet vanilla-like aroma to it. The white wine we're using today is the Art of the Earth Riesling. This comes from Germany. We went with that because the drink comes from Germany. It's also made with organic grapes, which we thought would fit the motif of the holiday. The woodruff we're using this year is dried. You can also use fresh, which you can get at the local nursery. It's a little hard to do this year, so we went with dried, which we got from our local apothecary. We've got about, I think for one bottle you need about half a cup. To serve, we have the Art of the Earth Prosecco. This again is made with organic grapes. And then we're going to garnish that with some fresh strawberries.